In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open FigJam file. FigJam is Figma's collaborative whiteboard, perfect for brainstorming, diagramming, and capturing ideas with your team. Let's walk through how to open a FigJam file, either one you've already worked on or a brand new one. First, open your web browser and head over to figma.com. You can do this on any modern browser. Once the site loads, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and log into your account. You might see several sign-in methods. For example, I'm going to use the Continue with Google option and select my account. If you use another method, that's totally fine. The goal is simply to get into your Figma workspace. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Figma home screen. This is your dashboard and it shows your recent files. If you've worked on a FigJam previously, you'll likely see it right here in the Recent section as a thumbnail. FigJam files are easy to spot. They typically have the FigJam icon or styling that distinguishes them from standard Figma design files. To open one, just click the thumbnail. That's it. Your FigJam board will load and you can start collaborating right away. If you don't see the file you're looking for in Recents, it may be because it hasn't been opened recently. But for today's demo, we're focusing on Recents and creating a new file. To start a new FigJam, look to the upper right of your home screen and click the FigJam button. This is the quickest way to create a fresh whiteboard. After you click it, Figma will open a new FigJam canvas with a clean, infinite board where you can add sticky notes, shapes, connectors, and text. A quick tip as your new file opens, you can use your mouse or trackpad to zoom and pan around the canvas to get comfortable with the space. You'll also see a toolbar on the left that includes sticky notes, shapes, and drawing tools. These are the core elements you'll use in FigJam. If you're collaborating, you'll notice cursors and presence indicators for anyone else who joins the board. To recap, the steps are simple. Go to figma.com, log into your account, open an existing FigJam from your Recents by clicking its thumbnail, or create a new one by hitting the FigJam button in the upper right. With that, you're ready to capture ideas and collaborate visually in seconds.